I think it's always been something that's been important for our teachers to consider what our students have experienced and what they're currently experiencing. But I think it's more important now than ever with everything that's happening in our lives outside of school.
The more we learn about trauma, the more that we can really help the kids the most, and they'll be much more successful academically if we can help them with their social, emotional, and work through their trauma. And again, just teach them what they can control and empower them.
One of the many things that I love about the courses through Starr is it provides that great background of all the research and the brain science, but also brings practical applications of how can we come into the classroom setting and have this curiosity, this focus on relationships, help build resiliency while still teaching students our content.
I'm blown away how much empowerment it gives them to see what they can control, both with learning about their brain, things from the course, and just even as a counselor. It's very rewarding.
The beautiful thing about these courses, it doesn't matter what you teach, it doesn't matter what students you teach, it doesn't matter what grade level you teach. Everybody can come away from those courses with some strategies that they can use with students that they see every day in their classrooms.
With this Starr course and what it's taught me, I can teach them how to think better by teaching them about their brain. I can teach them what to say and what to do by giving them the language.
The courses have really given me some great strategies to use to engage my colleagues as we work to try to become a more, I would say, responsive school. The course has really provided some good strategies and good avenues of discussion to try to build a cadre of staff members who are interested in trying to build the resiliency of our students.
Once I started, I couldn't stop. And I'm not even in the classroom. After having gone just through the first two courses, I thought back to, I wish I would have known some of this back when I was teaching, because it definitely would have saved me some time and would have improved the outcomes with students.
Starr's content material it touches people that are taking it personally. It touches them personally as a parent. It touches them personally as an educator or administrator, and it is relevant.
One of our assistant principals at the middle school level, she told me she's using these courses and what she's learned on a daily basis in her interactions with students. So from my perspective, I'm excited about what it can bring to our teaching staff and to our administrators and counselors, and just to give them a little bit of a different maybe focus. And I think it can make a huge impact in a lot of ways with our students.
I'm just energized because we have found a professional development opportunity with Starr that folks that are taking your courses are saying, thank you, it's relevant. I'm using it today. I used it yesterday. I want more people to know about it.